For today's teardown, this high voltage probe from the Soviet military radio spare parts grab bag I got a few months ago. So I did keep it all the time, but it is perfectly useless to me, and it is taking a lot of space with a very dangerous tip here, very sharp. So it is time for it to go. It is called a high tension probe TR-1402-2. The brand is Radelkis. So it is connected with this very special connector. Very obviously some kind of grounding cable which is coming out of this plug with a banana jack. So I will start with taking this apart. I did already unlock because it is easier for the video. So it should come. So we have a nice strain relief here with a spring. It is the same connector on the RF probe I did make a teardown of previously, a few weeks ago. So I have to slide this on the back, and I can see actually here crown, threaded crown I have to undo, or try to at least. We'll see how it goes. Now it seems it is not stuck, so it is good. But really not easy to undo because of, in fact, this wire is this wire here, green wire, is particularly annoying. It is stuck in the strain relief spring and it prevents me to slide it back. So you know what, anyway, it is going to the scrap, so let's cut this. It will allow us to see immediately which flavor of cable we have in here. In fact, it is very, very tough. Okay, so it is just a regular coax wire, in fact, like antenna coax, it seems. I wonder if we have anything particular in here or just the contacts of the plug. Very annoying to do. Maybe I can do this. Yes, it is better. So this plug, it is interesting, but I do not have a matching socket, so, and the contacts seem pretty sad actually. Okay, here is what it looks like. Nice copper shielding at least on this cable, and as you can see it is soldered here to this washer, and we have one more cable going here for the grounding. Somewhere on the white it shrink and just connections like so. Okay, so now I can try to pull this spring out of the way. Okay, and this little arm piece here. Okay, here we are. It was not easy, but it is not the most interesting part. Let's open the probe now. So we have some clear nylon or plastic part here, black part here, the tip here, but I do not think it can be unscrewed from the hand here. It does not seem to, it wants to turn. So I have first to pull this, and as you can see it will go off very easily. And now I am left with some aluminium body. There is a little hand gap here I can undo also. Okay. It looks like they did crimp here all around this black piece. And I have a part I can turn here, but I will first undo the crimps, and for this drill time. So you know what? Something is wrong, because this is aluminium and it looks like this drill bit is not even able to drill in aluminium. So it may be completely dull. I will try another one. And see what the result is. Much better. I do not know how far I can drill. Pretty far it seems. Pretty big. Yes, really deep. Okay. It was a nice new drill bit. So I will figure it out of camera and I will be right back. So finally I am able to slide out this thing, and here is what we have. But first I will undo this part. In fact, there was some kind of a circular spring in here to catch this part. Maybe it was not necessary to drill that much. I was not even able to go to the end, because in fact it is quite... yes, I know why. Because I am drilling just over the steel or something hard metal spring in here. Okay, so we have the tip here going to the wire. Plastic insulator, threaded like so. This part did just fall off. Seems we have a 750 mega ohms resistor. Date code of August 1975. I do not know this company logo. Interesting. It is exactly the kind of resistor you cannot test with your regular ammeter. So, very nice piece. Here at the tip, at the back. Really, that goes in this. So I may keep this for maybe some project. Can be useful. So we have one resistor. We have here the coax wire, as you can see. Not really impressive, because look at this, some of the little conductors from the shielding are not correctly soldered and go in this direction and not very far from the tip where you have potentially your voltage. Well, given this dividing network resistor, it must be not be a lot, but still. So what do we have else in this? We have a big flimsy golden spring. we have one glass tube, one other resistor that seems it is made to thread inside this one, yes, but for some reason it was not attached anymore, quite weird. And what do we have else? In fact, oops, we have some broken glass. It is actually the tip of this tube which was broken. So not sure if it is me, no, probably not. Oh, they do not. Ah, we have a big screw here all at the bottom. Not sure if you will see it. I am not sure of how far it is, but probably I haven't got any screwdriver to reach it. No, I do not have any screwdriver long enough. So you know what? I will just cut it and I will be right back. Okay, it will be much more easy, like so. You can see big screw at the bottom here. I do not even know if it will turn or not, in fact. So let's try to at least save this piece. Yes. It is turning. It is loose at least. Okay. Like such. So, interesting little part here. Maybe useful for something. This plastic has a very weird smell when I cut it. Maybe it is bakelite, in fact, not exactly plastic. Black bakelite. Okay, so here we are for this thing. I will for sure keep the very special high value resistors with brass tips. The glass tube probably, even if it is broken, or maybe this cable with a banana jack because you always need them. Apart from this, the plastic parts will go to the junk. So, thanks for watching, bye bye.